Hey, friends and family, it's about 20 minutes until the new year. And I have decided that I'm not going to talk for a week. At first, it was going to be 2 weeks, but my husband said he can't deal with not hearing my lovely voice for 2 weeks. So we agreed on a week. How did I come up with this? Because I feel like my family. I've been talking and no one's listening to me. My husband, my kids. So my voice is not being heard. I'm talking for all the wrong reasons. So I've decided that I need to not talk and just be an observer in my life, right? Just to observe what is happening, whether or not my voice makes a difference. You hear my husband talking in the background. He doesn't want to come because he don't want to put clothes on. He's in his drawers. And so I wanted to do it for 2 weeks like Will Smith. When he was talking to David Letterman, he said, I don't know what he said happened in his life because it's New Year's, I've been drinking. But he didn't talk for 2 weeks. So I wanted to do 2 weeks. But Christopher Shirley couldn't deal without hearing my lovely voice for 2 weeks. So we agreed on 1 week and my kids. So I will not talk for a 1 whole week starting at midnight. So no matter what they do, what they say, I will be an observer in my life. And I will not speak, not to the dog or the cat or this little sassy one right here or this little passive aggressive one right here or that one over there who's already ready to go to sleep.
Stop putting your foot on the
So that's where we are. So every day I'm going to take a video of what's happening. I'm thinking they're going to fall apart without me. What do you think, Jazz? What do you think, Tajay?
I don't think that's gonna happen. I'm gonna be fine.
What do
I'm
you
gonna
think,
do all my
honey?
chores.
What do you think?
You're gonna enjoy.
That's a joy.
He said he's going to enjoy not hearing my voice. Okay, so we'll see. So starting at midnight, Roxanne Shirley will not be speaking to the dog, the cat, Jasmine Shirley,
No, don't see my yassery.
or Tajay Shirley,
Not even to the Lord.
or Christopher Shirley, where Christopher,
You're not gonna pray.
of course I'm going to pray. I'm not talking to the three of y'all for a week, okay, starting midnight,
Erase that.
okay? So I'll be updating y'all. So
Erase
come
that.
tomorrow, I will show y'all what
No.
not talking, what
Erase
mommy
that.
not talking
No,
looks
no,
like.
No.
And then when school starts, y'all gonna see how not talking, they still sleep, daddy still sleep, nothing is happening. That's my bet. What do you think is gonna happen?
No comment. And delete the video.
I think I could go a week without you telling me what to do. I could do all myself.
So Shem's supposed to clean the pool, put the robot in there. He's supposed to take out the trash, feed the dogs. Jasmine's supposed to wash the dishes. She's supposed to stay the hell off the phone.
What?
Christopher Shirley, he just do what he do. I can't even. He don't listen to nobody. They supposed to feed the dogs, feed the cat. They supposed to pick up behind Christopher's supposed to close the microwave, close the toothpaste, pick up the toilet seat. Don't get me started. All right, so this is at midnight. It starts. Goodbye.